Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are fine and enjoy your holidays. Today I will guide you through summer pack for class 5. I will explain you each page one by one so you can complete your work easily and correctly. So let's get started. This is your activity number 1, that is kingdom classification. Okay, you have to match column 1 with column B. In column 1, bacteria and blue-green algae belong to which kingdom? These belong to kingdom Monera. Okay, protozoa belong to kingdom Protista, same as mold and mushroom belong to kingdom Fungi. Okay, you just match these columns. Now come to activity number 2, that is classification of animals. Identify the group to which each animal belong to and explain reason behind your choice as well. In this activity you have to identify the animal, okay, and then write the 4 main characteristics of each animal. For example, here is a shark. Shark is a fish, okay. It lives in water, have fins and gills and lay eggs. Same as it is a toad is an amphibian. Belong to which group of an animal? Toad is belong to group of amphibians and lives on both land and water, have moist skin and lay eggs in water. Okay. Next, this is activity number 2, classification of plants. Okay, we classify plants between dicot plant and monocot plant. Monocot have one seed leaf, dicot have two seed leaf. Okay, these are the characteristics of plants. We classify even either they are dicot plant or monocot. Narrow leaves present in monocot plant, broad leaves present in dicot plant. Flowers with have 3 petals or multiple of 3 present in monocot plant. Okay, seed have 2 cotyledon, dicot. Seed have 1 cotyledon present in monocot. Okay, I hope you understood. Then come to next question. This is differentiate between flowering and non-flowering plant. Plant that have flowers and produce seeds is called flowering plant. For example, rose. Flowers that do not produce flower and reproduce by spores is called non-flowering plant. For example, cactus, grass, etc. Okay. Now, next question is that differentiate between angiosperm and gymnosperm. Okay, angiosperms are the plants that belong to group of flowering plants. Okay, angiosperm are the group of plant that belong to flowering plant, and gymnosperm are the group of plant that belong to non-flowering plants. Okay, now come to the next activity. This is activity number 4, that is structure of seed. You have to just label the structure of seed, like baby plant, food stored in the seed, and outer layer is called seed coat. Then write the function of these structure, like seed coat protect the seed from damage, food store provide nutrient, baby plant germinate into new plant. Okay, I hope you understood. And this is activity number 5, that is a project about, this is a research work. You have to research with an animal. You have to choose an animal, any one animal, like you have to choose a lion, anything, any animal you like. Then write its habitat, its life cycle, characteristics, diet, adaptations, etc. Okay, now you, secondly, you make a magazine checklist. In magazine you add a cover page, title, subtitle. You also add pictures of these animals. Okay, then give a title, page numbers. Okay, and this is your research work. I hope you understood. Now come to the next page. This is ways to staying healthy. Activity number 6. In this activity you have to do 2 main works. First is you design a poster. You have to design a poster बाय विच वी कैन प्रिवेंट डिजीज़ इन लिस्ट एनी 10 वेज. आपको कोई ऐसे 10 तरीके, 10 वेज राइट करना है जिसमें आप बीमारियों से बचा जा सके. देन आपने जो तरीके राइट किए हैं, जो मेथड्स राइट किए हैं, उनके पिक्चर्स लगानी है. फॉर एग्जांपल आपने राइट किया है डू एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली, देन यू हैव टू पेस्ट अ पिक्चर. ओके, बैलेंस डाइट, देन यू हैव पेस्ट अ पिक्चर. देन यू फिल दिस कॉलम. दिस इज़ अ बैलेंस्ड हेल्थी डाइट प्लान. हाउ यू maintain your diet on daily basis. Okay, then you fill this column. This is your summer task. I hope you understood well. Do your work neat and with care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.